Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Earlier today, I made this twisted rope, and if we put it, it goes right in those slots. Now, if we wanted to do a continuous one, I'm going to hit duplicate. The next ring size, this one is 12, the next one is 16. I'm going to make a duplicate of that, and I'm going to move that over to the center. Well, it scaled it down. So what we could do, instead of worrying about that, worrying about putting them in the circle, it's a pretty good solid. We could use the parallel dimension tool, try to get on the edge or the, close. So we're at 12.85. So let's take this one and make it 12.85. Make a duplicate and put it in the, hit P, put it in the center. That looks pretty cool. Now get the parallel dimension, and you could keep going forever and ever. Try to get near the intersection in the midpoint. So 10.35, make a duplicate of that. 10.35 and hit P. Make a duplicate, move it over, and then put that one in the center. And let's do one more. It's pretty cool because then we can actually do something else to it. But try to get, like on the midpoint to the edge or node. So 8.27. We'll go ahead and make this one 8.27. And you can do this with any object and hit P. And see if you control D again, and you could do it by hand holding down the shift key, but you'd never get it right on the money or pretty close. But what you could do with this and take that one and mirror it the other direction, take every other one and mirror it the other direction. There we go. And one more. And you've got, I don't know what you have, but it's pretty cool. And you see I'm a little bit off on the last one because I didn't measure. So let's do this. Let's move that one out of the way. It's actually that one that's not perfect. So I didn't measure good. Let's go ahead and do this real. Whoop, I don't need that line. But let's see if we can't measure again. There's a node right there. You could probably hold down the control button. 8.25. Let's see what size we made this. 8.27, but that doesn't make any sense. And then hit P. So maybe I'm not measuring from the right spot, but you can always, if you will hold down the shift key and just grow it out a little bit, because something like this isn't really going to matter because you're not going to be able to tell. But that's pretty cool. And then quite possibly you could take the inside and fill in the inside with that color. It's way down here. Well, it doesn't have to be that color. And I don't know what you have, but it would be pretty cool. There's a little bitty white lines everywhere. So maybe the best thing to do would just be to, and sometimes it's going to be hard to click on that, but hold down the shift key and just have it grow just a tiny bit. Well, I'm getting the lines. That's what the problem is. So it'd probably be better to get rid of those lines. And then you could do this on each one because there's no really beginning and starting point of this rope deal. And so this might be a way to do it. Just hold down the shift key. Holding down the shift key makes it grow. Well, I grabbed two of them. Makes it grow from the inside outwardly evenly. And then you can see the space there. Anyway, just playing. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.